Remember? That little flower thing, and then it's just right there. Huh? Huh? Do you remember?
Yep.
This reminds me of Danny Guppa. It's like, oh, look at that. Do you see that? That is a wood in the shape of an elephant.
Yeah, but the tusk, that's really bad luck because the
Why is that bad luck?
the
Not letting you.
snout, the thing is going down.
What?
The trunk is facing down. It's always supposed to face up.
Like, that?
Like what?
Not doing it again.
Like what?
Nope.
Do it.
No! Don't tell me how to live my life.
For Nanny and Gumpa.
Sweet Jesus, are we almost there?
Why?
That's the point we thought. Oh God. Back to the Psycho Lady's house. I'm literally scared we're gonna open the house and she's gonna have like a knife in her hand. I kid you not. They can't own guns here, can they? Still in America?
Yep.